from like the mountainside rather than the street? Oh,
I
that's a
know,
fucking
dude.
chopper.
I'm gonna land it up on a cliff. I'm gonna fight you guys. Oh, I landed.
What? That's fucking crazy.
Wait. I'm on a mountain though.
You're going down.
If I could just stop it.
Are you engineer enough?
I think so, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Ejection seat. I didn't want that.
What the fuck?
Wait, the jet. Get me in! Get me in! Oh my god. It automatically ejects you. That's whack.
Do you think you could like slowly make your way down here? If you can, I can repair you. I can't really go much further outside of the... What the f...
I'm repairing it. Little by little. Jet, ejection seat.
Damn, you got like 12 ejection seats in there. God damn.
Almost done. Oh god. That one I went a little too far.
Oh no. Get back in.
Let me in. Oh my god.
90%. How are you gonna take off?
I don't know. I'll figure it out. With afterburner.
Holy shit, no fucking way! That's crazy!